What's good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another review. This is not your average sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey. No, it's been quite a while since you guys have last seen me, but I am back for a review. Wish you guys knew how many reviews that I've actually recorded and not edited and uploaded recently. Probably about 10 or so. So hopefully this year I can get that back going around springtime. But without any further delay, let's go ahead and get to what you guys are here for. You've already seen the title. Today we're bringing you guys a review of the Nike SB Travis Scott Dunk Low right here. If you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I am trying to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. It's gonna take a lot of work on my part to actually upload videos more consistently, but I do appreciate you guys' support in helping me get there. So when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. I'll figure out what that is once we get closer to the date, but please subscribe and also leave a thumbs up. That does help the channel grow and help the video get a little bit more views. So if you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these shoes. Now, these right here, I picked these up from a local skate shop here. I live in Cincinnati. I got these from the skate shop Unheard Of. It's in downtown Cincinnati, close to my office here. They also included this cool little Unheard Of Cactus Jack sticker right here. And you also got a nice bag to keep with you for a keepsake. It says Unheard Of in it, in some of that paisley print there. I thought that was pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Colorway here is Nike SB Dunk Low Premium Quick Strike. Colorway is black parachute beige. This is a size 10.5 and the retail price was $150. Now, if you guys watch any of my other reviews, you know that I am more of a size 8.5 to 9. I did put in a raffle for a size 8.5 or a size 9. I had about 3 raffle tickets, and somehow, some way, they ended up pulling my name for a 10.5, asking for some of the shoes. I said, of course. Because for one, I can give you guys a good review on this. Number 2, I can actually sell these and get my true size. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. Also, big shout out to Unheard Of for the raffle win. They also had a really nice event downtown Cincinnati. We got to go pick up the shoes at a secret location. Thought that was really, really cool of them. So much appreciated, you guys. Jumping in the box, you do have this Nike SB box. It's more of a rainbow print. You got the green, the blue, the red, and the yellow there all over the box. Mentioned retail price was $150. There also was a special release box that did come on Travis Scott's website. I missed the raffle there, but a W is a W, so I'm not complaining at all. Once you open the box up, you do have this black paisley print paper. Under that, you also do have your standard white paper. And inside there, you do have shoes. Take a look at that there. I'll also put some B-roll shots in the background so you guys can see what the shoes look like up close. But here you have it. This is the Travis Scott Nike Dunk Low. And honestly, I didn't like these when I first saw them. The more that I did see them, I like them a little bit better. And now that I have them in hand, see the materials, I actually like them a lot more. And I do plan to get my true size as soon as I can find a good price for these. And as you guys can imagine, they do smell awesome. Let's go over some of the details. So the shoe is primarily in a dark navy, I think they say it's black, but it looks more like of a navy blue paisley print there. Kind of like a bandana print. Then on here on the lateral side, you do have some plaid patches right there. It's about 4 of them kind of stitched together. Thought that was a pretty cool hint. On the toe box here, you have that paisley print. It's kind of like in a corduroy, and this does wear away, and I believe it reveals an elephant print under it. Maybe when I get my own pair, I might take those off. We'll see. Then you also do have a very, very soft, I don't know if this is nubuck. It might be nubuck. It is like in that parachute beige color right there. Then on the lateral side, you also do have that paisley print going all the way up for the shoelace holes, all the way down right here around the ankle. And you have a black Nike swoosh. This is also done either in a suede or a nubuck. Very, very soft right there. You do have that same type of print right here on the ankle collar that you had on the Travis Scott Air Force Ones that came out I think they came out in late 2019. I do have those back here. These right here. On the back of it here, you do have your Nike emblem right there. It is in a very, very light pink hue. This does not flap up, of course. Then you get around to the medial side. The swoosh continues in that same type of material, but this side it's in pink, whereas this side is on black. Same plaid print right there. Then the same paisley print all the way around. You do have a sail midsole and a parachute beige bottom right there. Looking at the tongue, you do have a fat Nike SB tongue with the Cactus Jack logo right there, and also in that parachute beige color. And this is the one thing that I probably don't like the most on the shoe. It is the shoelaces. They are like in a rope lace style, kind of like a burlap sack that you would tie with the ropes. And I think these are gonna fray and tear up pretty bad. They already are, and I haven't put these on feet. Of course, they're not my size. When you look at the side of it too, then you do have your insole here. In the insole, you do have Nike SB in pink with some more of that paisley print there. Looking at the other shoe, go ahead and take this one out the box. This one does have same detail, everything on the shoe is the exact same mirror image of the left shoe. Only difference is you do have 2 spare laces on here. You have a Nike SB bag right there with a spare set of pink laces and black laces right there in case you want to swap them out. If I did keep these, I would probably put the pink ones in the shoe. I think that'd be a nice little pop of color. Black ones might be too much of a contrast, and these rope laces, honestly, I really just don't think they're gonna be very functional. So other than having that kind of workwear aesthetic, I don't see any reason why I would ever keep those in the shoe. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. That is my quick review of this Travis Scott Dunk Low. How did you guys do on this release? I know they did have them at local skate shops around the country. Also, there's rumors that they might be releasing them on sneakers. They have been loaded into the sneakers back end, so we'll see if they maybe shock drop these sometime in the very near future. If they do, it'd be great to try to double up on these if I could. But I'm still happy I got this this pair for retail. I can try to still go out and get my own size. So if I had to rank all the Travis Scotts that I have so far I have these. I have the Air Force Ones, and I have the Jordan 1 highs and the Jordan 6s. I'd say that these are probably my third favorite. The 2 Jordans first, then these, then the Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones I do like a lot. They're pretty fun to wear. They get a lot of attention. A good icebreaker shoe. But overall, I think that these are probably more of I'm able to put together more outfits with these that look more subtle and it's more my style. Thank you guys again for tuning in. This has been Not Your Average Sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you guys haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys on my next review. Peace.